Understanding hydraulic hose, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase hydraulic hose. This is a common term in mechanical and industrial contexts, and understanding it can be very useful, especially for those interested in engineering or related fields. Let's dive in and learn about what a hydraulic hose is and its significance. A hydraulic hose is a type of flexible tube used in hydraulic systems to transport fluids. These hoses are crucial for transferring fluid power in various types of machinery and equipment. They are typically made of rubber, thermoplastics, or Teflon, and are reinforced with various types of metal or fiber. The flexibility of hydraulic hoses allows for efficient fluid movement even in tight spaces or around obstacles. Hydraulic hoses play a vital role in the operation of many types of machinery. They are commonly found in construction equipment like excavators and bulldozers, agricultural machinery such as tractors, industrial equipment including hydraulic presses. These hoses help power the machinery by transmitting hydraulic fluid under high pressure, enabling the movement and operation of mechanical parts. Understanding the features of hydraulic hoses is important. Key features include pressure ratings. Different hoses can withstand varying levels of pressure. Flexibility. They must be flexible enough to fit into complex machinery layouts. Durability. Resistance to wear and tear is crucial for long-term use. There are also various types of hydraulic hoses, each suited for specific applications and pressure ranges. These include reinforced rubber hoses, steel reinforced hoses, Teflon hoses. Maintaining hydraulic hoses is critical for safety and efficiency. Regular inspection for leaks, wear, and damage is necessary. Proper installation and adherence to pressure ratings prevent accidents and ensure the longevity of the hose. Safety precautions are essential when handling and replacing hydraulic hoses, as they operate under high pressure. I hope this video has helped you understand what a hydraulic hose is, its role in machinery, and its key features. Remember, hydraulic hoses are essential components in many types of equipment, and their proper use and maintenance are crucial for safe and effective operation. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to bringing you more insightful content on English language learning.